Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete a video from Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. Then click on Login to log into your account. You can log in with your Facebook account, Google account, Apple account, or you can enter your email and password. Once you're logged in, select the video you want to delete. You can select the video from your recent videos, and if you can't find it there, go to the library and choose the video you want to delete. Then here you have two options to delete the video. You can click on the three dots under the video and scroll down and select delete video from the drop-down menu. Then click again on this. The second option is to click on the video and go to the video interface, and then click on the three dots in the top right corner and then select delete video. Here you can set the privacy settings for your video to private if you just want to hide it from the internet, so only you and the people on your account can access the video. But if you want to delete it once and for all, click on the three dots, delete video from the drop down menu, and then click again on delete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.